Hi, I'm Tory Frost, editor of Superdrug's Dare magazine, and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about double cleansing. So what is double cleansing? Double cleansing is the process of washing your face twice to make sure that absolutely every scrap of makeup and product that you've put on there and that the universe has put on there that day is completely removed. If that sounds like a little bit of a faff, then let me tell you the benefits. If you wear a lot of makeup, if you wear SPF, that's sun care or product that contains sun care, if you're somebody with particularly oily skin, if you suffer from spots, any sort of problem that you might have with your skin, I promise you double cleansing can help. So the first step of double cleansing is about using a thick cleanser that'll get off all of the makeup and the grime of the day. And then the second step is using something lighter or fresher that really cleanses the skin itself once all of the makeup and dirt's removed. So first of all, the deep cleanse. For this you're going to need a couple of products. The first thing you're going to need is a thick oil or a balm cleanser. Now the reason you want something like an oil or a balm cleanser is because it'll break down all of that makeup, the SPF, all of the products you've got on your face. It also gets rid of grime, it gets rid of pollutants that you've picked up throughout the day, especially if you live in the city, and it'll really give your skin a good deep cleanse. So let me show you a few products that I recommend for step one. The first is this oil cleanser from Spaa. I pour it in the palm of my hand, massage it in a little bit, and then when all the makeup's on my face, rub that in, make sure everything's moved around, everything's loosened up. This will actually, if you add water, turn into like a milky cleanser and then you can just wash it off. Now I like to be a little bit more thorough, and to do that, I like to use a flannel. Now flannels are super cheap, you can pick them up in Superdrug of course, and the way you use that is when you've got all that product on your face, soak it under some warm water, make sure it's really saturated, and the flannel will hold the heat in as well. So then you can take it off, take away all that makeup, take away all that oil cleanser, and the steam will help you get a really good deep clean. If you're worried that a flannel might feel a little bit too rough, then you can use a muslin cloth. This one's super handy because it comes in a little pouch, so it's great if you travel. Every product that I'm mentioning today will be linked in the description box below. Now step two of the double cleanse. This is the step that cleans just the skin, so you don't need anything that's really heavy, you just want a lighter cleanser. And I absolutely love this one. This is Superdrug's Naturally Radiant Brightening Hot Cloth Cleanser. This comes with a muslin, so it's great to take off with a muslin. By that point you'll have got rid of all of your makeup. And it also has fruit enzymes in there, and what they do is they brighten the face. So your face will be left looking really refreshed after your full double cleanse routine. So my first tip is use a clean flannel or muslin cloth every morning. That way you won't have any dirt and bacteria left over. And just pop it in the washing basket every night. And my second tip is to try switching up your product. If your skin's feeling a little bit dry one morning, use something that's a bit more comforting and creamy. And if your skin's feeling a little bit oily, then you could maybe throw in something that has a bit of salicylic or glycolic acid. It's about finding the two products that work really well for you and making sure that you have a super clean face before you add all of the rest of your skincare. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos like this, and all of the products that we've mentioned will be in the description box below. See you next time. Bye.